Stop that. What? I'm just getting my glass. Yeah. I thought that was all. What? You don't want to? No. I'm going over here. She's going to the potty. I don't see nothing.
Look, out there.
I don't know why you want to go out, because you go running towards the back.